Welcome back to BJ English News, where we bring you the latest headlines.
Exodus in Jharkhand BJP as MLAs resign over ticket distribution. The Jharkhand BJP is facing internal disconnect following its announcement of candidates for 66 assembly seats in the 2024 elections. Three former MLAs Satyanand Jha Batul, Ramesh Oran and Arvind Singh have resigned, expressing dissatisfaction over ticket distribution. Batul, a former minister, criticized the party for granting a ticket to someone who had previously campaigned against the BJP. Singh left after his constituency Ichhagar was allocated to AJSU party as part of the NDA's sheet-sharing deal, while Kumkum, another leader, resigned. Menka Sardar, a three-time MLA, withdrew her resignation after reconciliation talks. The BJP now faces the challenge of retaining party unity as several leaders plan to contest independently. Prashant Kishore's party candidate may face disqualification in Bihar. Prashant Kishore's Jan Swaraj party is facing a setback as their Tarari candidate, Lieutenant General retired SK Singh, risks disqualification over his name missing from Bihar's voters list. Singh, currently residing in Delhi, had voted in Delhi during the Lok Sabha elections, though he hails from Bhojpur district in Bihar. Jan Swaraj leader Kishore criticized the disqualification rule, arguing that Singh's Bihar voter status should be considered valid as it was during the last assembly elections. The party plans to challenge the ruling with this unexpected hurdle, threatening their chances in the Bihar by-elections. Chirag Paswan criticizes Haryana's reservation policy sub-quotas. LJP leader Chirag Paswan has spoken against the Haryana government's recent move to introduce reservation within reservation, which aims to subdivide existing quotas for marginalized groups. Paswan, a supporter of Prime Minister Modi, described the policy as divisive and vowed that his party would never accept such fragmentation within reserved categories. He argued that further dividing reservations could increase social tensions and exacerbate existing discrimination. Paswan's opposition adds to the ongoing national debate over the implementation and fairness of reservation policies in India. Jitan Ram Manjhi denies nepotism allegations regarding daughter-in-law. Union Minister Jitan Ram Manjhi has refuted allegations of nepotism following his daughter-in-law Deepa Kumari's increasing political involvement. Critics claim that Manjhi is promoting family politics, but he defended Kumari's qualifications, noting that she was already a district council member before marrying his son Santosh Suman. Manjhi emphasized Kumari's contribution to education and social welfare, arguing that her political career is independent of their family connections. The incident brings renewed focus to the issue of family influence in Indian politics, with Manjhi maintaining that Kumari's role is based on merit, not nepotism. Nitish Kumar pushes for 35% female representation in Bihar Police. Bihar Chief Minister Nitish Kumar has urged senior police officials, including the DGP, to accelerate efforts to increase female representation in the state's police force to 35%. During an event where over 1,200 new police officers were appointed, Kumar highlighted the importance of gender equality and security. He asked that this target be achieved before the upcoming 2024 elections. Kumar's consistent advocacy for women's empowerment reflects his administration's commitment to increasing female participation in law enforcement.